All right, so hello everyone, and welcome to the ultimate guide to Python's built-in function for beginners. And in this series, we're gonna learn all the functions and types that comes built into the Python interpreter. These are called built-in functions, and we gonna take advantage of the power and the flexibility that comes with these functions to make our Python coding easy and more efficient. Just like how you're gonna need an instruction manual when trying to assemble a piece of equipment, just to make sure every part fits perfectly. In the same way, you're gonna need this series to guide you step by step to make your Python coding easy and efficient. But wait, before we even get started, I'm gonna share a short story of my coding journey. When I first started learning Python, I did not know anything about built-in functions, and I remember spending lots of time writing codes just to solve a simple problem. Of course, all these problems could have been solved probably with even a single line of built-in function. That's why I created this ultimate guide to built-in functions in Python for beginners, just to make sure you do not go through the same struggle that I did. If you are just like me or probably wondering if these built-in functions are going to be fun to learn, then you have definitely come to the right place. I promise you're going to master Python's built-in functions like a pro in no time. Taking a look at the Python docs, there are lots of built-in functions, and these are actually arranged in alphabetical order. So we're gonna have a separate video for each function, and throughout the video, we're gonna use real life examples to make sure you fully understand them. We're gonna start with the ABS for turning negative numbers into positive. Imagine you got a list of negative numbers and you want to turn them into positive ones. You could do that using for loop to iterate through the list and using ABS to change these numbers into positive lists like so. Better still, you could use list comprehension to achieve the same function. From ABS, we're going to learn the next function in the list. We're going to also talk about all function. Look at practical examples like how we could use the all function to check if all our friends actually made it to our birthday party. So we're going to do that also. And also start from the top and work our way through to the bottom. These functions, like I said earlier, are going to save you lots of hours and effort. So are you ready? Let's do this together. My name is Techi Musa from Gentech, and I'm going to be your instructor for this series. Do not forget to subscribe to stay updated, like and share the video. Please leave a comment in the comment section, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you.